So how do you sell your home for top dollar in one weekend? In this video, we're going to explore my step-by-step guide to selling your home in just one weekend. And if you stick around to the end, I'll share my entire listing timeline and you don't want to miss that. If this is your first time to the channel and you want to know everything about living, playing, and moving in Pittsburgh, then subscribe below and tap that bell for notifications so you can be the first to learn about our current market here in Pittsburgh. I'm Krista Lorenzo and I get calls and emails every day from people just like you looking for help on making a move in Pittsburgh, and I absolutely love it. Whether you're moving in 1 week or 1 year, give me a call, shoot me a text, or send me an email so I can help you make a smooth move in Pittsburgh. Selling a house can be stressful and a time-consuming process, but with the right strategy, it's possible to sell your home in just one weekend. How do I know? Because I do it every weekend. Here's a detailed breakdown of how I make it happen. Monday, picture day. To kick things off, I collaborate with a professional photographer who specializes in real estate photography. We're not taking just basic photos here. We're using high-def images and stunning drone shots that really showcase your property from every angle. These high-quality images are crucial because they form the first impression that buyers have of your home. Every detail is captured, from the beautiful landscaping to the unique architecture. We want to ensure that your home stands out in a very competitive market. The photographer and I are there for about 2 hours capturing photos, drone, and video. It's time for your house to shine. Tuesday, our marketing blitz. This is when the real magic begins. I immediately order professional print materials, which include glossy brochures for potential buyers and just listed so we can tell the whole neighborhood about the move. Simultaneously, I launch a robust online advertising campaign to target potential buyers through social media, real estate websites, email, and newsletters. At the same time, your property is listed in our local multi-list service. This is the MLS. This is where we're going to reach a really broad range of buyers. This comprehensive marketing approach maximizes your home's visibility and attracts serious buyers. Now, Wednesday through Thursday, we are building anticipation. To build this anticipation, I set a no showing rule until Friday or Saturday. These agents often have buyers ready to make an offer as soon as the property is available. We don't want an open house full of unqualified nebby neighbors. We want appointments booked back to back with qualified buyers. Now it's showtime. Friday or Saturday, whatever works best for you. You're probably going to want to be out of the house all day because we're going to have back-to-back showings of buyers who are anxious and ready to pounce. Their agents can see all the other scheduled showings, which creates a sense of urgency. Now is the time to shine. We want to ensure that your home is in pristine condition with fresh flowers, nice music, and a welcoming atmosphere that makes buyers feel right at home. As buyers tour the property, they see other buyers coming and going, and it creates a very competitive environment. This competition encourages them to act fast and put in an awesome offer. Everyone wants to be the one who gets the home. I stay in constant communication with all interested parties, answer their questions, address any concerns, and keep the momentum going. This competitive environment often results in multiple offers as buyers strive to outdo each other. By Sunday, we're calling for highest and best. We typically have multiple offers at this point and call for highest and best. Buyers know they need to come in strong with their highest and best offer to even stand a chance. This competitive environment often results in offers that exceed the asking price with very favorable terms. I make you a chart comparing all the offers side by side, and then we'll carefully review the strengths and potential pitfalls of each one. We consider not only the price, but the contingency, financing terms, and closing timelines. We want to make sure you get the best possible deal for your situation. And then we are sold. By the end of the weekend, your home is sold at top dollar and you can move forward with confidence, knowing that we got the best deal possible for your house and we should have backups lined up in case anything should fall through. I handle all the final paperwork and coordinate with the buyer's agent to ensure a smooth closing process. Throughout the entire journey, I keep you informed and supported so you always know what to expect and feel confident in the decisions being made. Selling a house in one weekend is not just a dream, it's a well-oiled strategy that creates excitement and urgency among buyers. With professional photos, strategic marketing, and carefully planned showing schedule, we can turn your home sale into a weekend success story. Ready to sell your home in one weekend? Let's connect. Contact me today and let's discuss this approach and how we can make it work specifically for you. And like I said, whether you're moving in 1 week or 1 year, give me a call, shoot me a text, or send me an email so I can help you make a smooth move in Pittsburgh. Until next time, I hope to show you around town. Let's go, Pittsburgh!